as far as it goes, this cross and everything, the cross being more radioactive or whatever, since it is radioactive since December, it's just beyond belief. But your incident with the dog, has the dog's behavior pattern changed any since?
Oh yes, the dog is, since the spot has gone off his paw there, as you see, and I mean, the dog seems to be much more intelligent. And, well, we're not going to say that the dog can talk or anything yet, but this is what it looks like. It's, the dog is moving, and he's, and he will, if you're taking a picture of him or something like that, as you see, the dog will actually know it and sense it, and will pose for it.
That's right. Dogs aren't known for being the best posers in the world either.
But this one here is now.
One of the most picture-taking dogs of all times, I think, probably.
Is that right?
Now you've mentioned the rocks raising out of the earth and out in the fields further. Have there been any explanation scientifically for that?
No, there has been about 80 or 90 samples taken around in the rocks where they have risen up, and some of them are 6, 7, 10 inches right out of the soil. And no earthly explanation we got so far for these happenings.
Do you feed your house water system from the spring, which is?
No. We have an 85-foot well over at the house, and that supplies the bathroom and the showers and stuff in the house. But this spring here, in the last 3 years since we've been here a little over, we come over here every day and carry a bucket of water from that spring, and we use it continuously, the whole family.
So this spring, as you said before, maybe you'd like to give us the same phrase that you gave me a while back. The scientists have done everything but what?
The scientists have done everything, but the only thing that they haven't done this spring yet is take a dead man in and see if he come back to life.
I imagine that with all the interest in the space program and in the UFOs now coming in this area, that you've had quite a few people coming in to observe. How many do you estimate that you've had since the story broke?
The story broke, I would estimate that we're through here alone on Sunday past over 2,000 people, 8,000 to 10,000 people since the story broke.
And many of these people are all scientific experts.
Quite a few of them.
So as far as it goes, you have no idea what or whom is causing the strange occurrences in this area? And
nothing yet. We are waiting for a decision from the scientists, and well, we've had an awful pile of, since last December, churches and everything else involved to try and please explain.
As far as it goes, the spiritual side of it, I suppose that due to the fact that the area here that was burnt in December is a cross, I suppose that many of the clergy are saying that this is a spiritual sign or symbol.
This is quite right. Some of them have came here and said it openly, and we'll tell the public this. But in our research work since December, since it came, we've been trying to find out what size cross Jesus Christ was crucified on. This cross, as you will see, is 18 feet long, and each arm is 6 feet, and has 12-foot centers, all done up in segments of 3. So there is no answer to what size cross crucified Jesus Christ as yet.
Now, you've had sightings of these objects as recently as up to, well, yesterday was the 28th. So has this been an every night occurrence since December, or almost a regular occurrence?
No, not quite. Not quite. Now, there are, in the last 10 nights, we have saw the sightings 8 nights out of 10.
So these are fairly regular, and I take it pictures have been taken of these crafts.
Last night was the first night that there were some good pictures we hope will be developed to see what these crafts are or what they are.
Are these crafts basically the same in shape every evening?
Just about the same every night.
Well, thank you very much.
Here's my little boy here if you want to ask him what he saw and what he knows about the UFOs.
Well, I think that might be interesting.